What's going on, everybody? I got a little small haul from Walmart. I did pick up some bungee cables and a few other things. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I went to Walmart and I picked up several containers of bungee cords, bungee straps, and I use these a lot at the house. I also picked up a 4-pack of rechargeable AA batteries. These are, I believe, 2300 milliamp nickel metal hydrate, 1.2 volt batteries. I picked these up for one of my solar panel lights that actually sits above the driveway. And everything here was 47 bucks. It's not too bad. What I do is I will take everything out of these containers. So these are the colorful straps. This has two 35-inch straps, two 20-inch straps, and two 15-inch straps. Bungee cords, colorful bungee cords. I will usually just open this up and then toss it into a small carry handle toolbox. And what I mean by carry handle toolbox is a toolbox similar to this right here. Like this Stanley Fat Max. I will throw bungee cords and tie downs, a small set of hand tools, you know, like an oil filter wrench, a couple other items, including tow equipment, extra tow balls and stuff like that. I'll throw in these containers, and then I usually just leave them in the cargo section of the back of the truck. And so this is the rubberized. I actually needed a set of these for the house for some other reasons, but I think I'm going to dedicate these to one for each vehicle. So there's two, because the other two vehicles already have a set of all of this stuff, but I purchased a 2000 limited 4x4 4Runner as well as a 1997 limited 4x4 or a 4Runner, so I'm kind of outfitting both of those vehicles. So I picked up two of these, and I picked up a large 20 count of the rounded style bungee cords that also come with the little baby ones too, which are good for small things. 3 48-inch, comes with 3 36-inch, comes with 4 24-inch, comes with 6 mini cords, 4 canopy ties, which is a total of 20. And the canopy ties are these ones with little round balls, which I do use on canopies. But it's just a small little haul. I like having these in vehicles. You know, they work great for strapping stuff down in the cargo area, or strapping things on the roof if you're just strapping something light, like you know, some bags or something you have, you know, maybe a couple duffel bags. These are fine to strap them to the roof with them. Especially these are strong enough. But, you know, they're not expensive. And then this is just for the rechargeable, to replace the rechargeable batteries that are pretty much dying, because I actually took them out of the solar panel floodlight above the driveway. Those batteries have been in there for about 4 or 5 years now. They've gone through hundreds of thousands, I would assume, recharges, because every time the cats that live in our yard, when they run past the truck and stuff, they always turn the light on hundreds of times a night. So the batteries are pretty drained by the time the sun comes up. And the cats are recent, in the last 2 years now. You know, some cat had kittens in our yard and the kittens never left, and then another cat had kittens in our yard, and those the first set of kittens finally left with their mom, but the second cat had kittens, and those cats, the kittens haven't left, even though the mom left. Haven't seen the mom in months. But I feed them cat food. You know, it's no big deal. I leave cat food out on my welding table. I put a TV dinner tray on my welding table, and that sits right in front of the door. You guys will probably recognize it. You see it all the time in my videos. It's this one right here. Feed the cats food. Put a little TV dinner tray there. Put, you know, bowls there for the cats to eat on. I do use this as a weld table. When I need it, I remove the cat food and use it as a welding table. But just a quick video for you guys. I do have a bag of goodies right there for Napa. One is actually to repair this, which there's no way to repair it. But on this side, the clip actually broke. You can see how it's broken, it's missing. So this side just flops. This is actually the back cargo trim that sits at the back door. So it actually does this and it flops. It bounces like this, which it's smacking steel and carpet. This actually tacks and holds the carpet down. So I did buy, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this off, and then I did find some square little screw-in clips. I'm gonna clip that to the body because the body does these actually just clip into the body, the floor panel body of the vehicle, or the floor pan, not the floor pan body. But so you can see how they're square and they just clip in. And you can't get this piece in this color anymore. The only piece that Toyota sells is the charcoal, which is a grayish blue. So it's easier just to, and you can see there's lots of stress in this piece. So it's easier to just cut this off and then put those pieces, put that one piece in. It looks just like these. It's just square, and it will pop into the body, and it will just stay in the body cavity, or the floor pan, the cargo pan, floor pan. And then the reason I'm going to cut that piece off, this piece right here, is to make it flush. And the screw basically threads into these. You can see where it bit originally. But the screw is going to bite into the new plastic piece anyways. Instead of throwing this away or trying to replace it with something that's the wrong color, just going to zip it off and put the clip in the physical panel of the truck, and then just put the screw in this panel, and then when I screw it down, it will hold this down. And then the rest of the clips, they will hold it down, or they'll eventually break off and I'll have to do all of them. But you know, it's only a plastic piece. Also got a ball joint for Sky in that bag. I got the spindle should be in this box right here. Got another spindle or steering knuckle, whatever you'd like to call it, that we need to install. I have control arms right here. These are just dirty. There's nothing wrong with them. The bushings are actually in amazing shape. These I took off of Sky probably 15 years ago. I didn't take them off because they were bad. I took them off because they were on the vehicle for like 5 years or so, and I wanted to refresh the suspension, so I took them off. There's no cracks in them or anything like that. They do need to be cleaned a little bit better, which is no big deal. Clean them up. Maybe I'll paint them, throw some fresh paint on them. And we're going to throw those control arms on to fix the broken control arm. Probably only need to do one side. I got the spindle, got upper lower ball joints, which I do have over here. I have ball joints right here. Here's one right here. It's a lower ball joint that's actually in amazing condition. This is the one that was on the truck. It's in amazing condition. I don't need to replace it. It didn't break. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You guys be safe. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next episode. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Peace!